This was our fifth annual business plan competition in a row and third seminar or conference on entrepreneurship and innovation MIT Enterprise from MIT Enterprise Forum of Pakistan platform in collaboration with Organization of Pakistani Entrepreneurs of North America. And like every year, we got tremendous response from the participants, from the industry. So there was some good business plan which came in the early part of the year when the competition started. And slowly and gradually, today we had three finalists competing for the top slot. Lumensoft won the competition, and we are very happy because we are always happy for people winning the competition. But we were happy was because Lumensoft came to this competition in 2008 when they had like a 100-store operation. 100-store meaning that the point of sale terminal was solution was running at 100 stores, but by virtue of participating in 2008 competition, they have now gone up to 1100 stores in 6 countries. So big achievement. So it gives you a lot of endorsement that whatever you are doing with these companies, and it's helping them to progress. And the reason they have come to this competition again this year was so that they can now move on from 1,000 stores to 10,000 stores in the next 3 to 4 years. Second, apart from the competition, there was a good attendance by industry today. We had like close to 200 people. We are also grateful to Pakistan Software Export Board and ICT R&D Fund to be the gold partner of this event. Then Tracker, like every year, consistently, Ali Jamil, the great, has been sort of sponsoring the event for the past 5 years. And Captain Industries, and this year again a big huge compliment to us and to our efforts that Vopium's last year winner was also a gold partner. So last year winner also sponsored the event. So it gives you a lot of endorsement that people who are coming to this competition, the companies are learning from it, and they are sort of now also want to plan it, and they are also willing to contribute in our efforts.
Longest time we kept using the word of infancy, that Pakistan's industry is in its infancy. Do you see that changing now?
2 or 3 things which are major changes. One, the perception about infancy was wrong. It was like huge talent was there but untapped. Tremendous opportunities in software, companies' profile and the resources and the products, but they were not being explored. So they were not infant, it was just that they were underexploited. So now they are exploiting its full potential locally as well as internationally. The second big thing that has happened is Alhamdulillah, that now there is a feeling of collaboration. There is a whole new culture developing where entrepreneurs are now talking to each other. People are opening up. 5 years ago or 4.5 years ago when we launched the first competition, it was extremely difficult to convince RIT entrepreneurs and companies to come up with the business plans and then share with others, because there was always fear that somebody is going to steal my idea. But now, Alhamdulillah, that fear has gone, and to the extent that we have our mentors from the industry, like Zafar Khan is there, like this year winner Lumensoft has been for the past 3 years mentoring the teams. We have Adnan Shahid, we have so many good people who are now mentoring, and they are part of the industry, they are running successful operations. But now young, old, even established companies coming to the competition don't mind opening up because they see the value in sharing. Third biggest development that I am seeing, Alhamdulillah, and that is again very encouraging, now they are collaborating in the sense that now I can see mergers happening, I can see acquisitions happening. People don't mind selling their companies, they get a good price. People don't mind merging if they think that the 2 companies can complement each other. So all of these are the building blocks of an ecosystem. Companies coming and competing, then companies helping each other, then organizations coming, then there are networking opportunities, investment opportunities. One area where I would like our industrialists and companies to come and participate is also establishing angel funds and venture funds, because I think we have got 4 or 5 major blocks now in place, but the missing block is investment sort of funding opportunities for the startups as well as established companies, because like today there were 2 companies which are fairly established in business for the past 4 or 5 years, 8 to 10 years, but now they need $1 million to move to the next level. So among the judges, again, there was again, the judges have been from the industry for the past 5 years, and again, all of these judges are now realizing, okay, now in order to move these companies to the next level, because what MIT Enterprise Forum do is, they bring in, they help them compete, and then they move on. They don't have the charter or the mandate to follow them up, because it's all voluntary work. Myself, Dr. Zahir, Farooq Captain, and other volunteers, we all work as volunteers. So our job is to identify major players or upcoming companies and then give it to the industry, and then they win and they go to MIT for training and then do a roadshow. But we don't have the mandate of following up with them. Okay, चीज़ें कैसी चल रही, how we've been doing for the last 2-3 years, because there are 200 companies that have gone through the competition. So the realization on the judges' part, who are major industrialists like Samad Dawood, again our friend Ali Jamil from Tracker, Imran Saeed, Zafar Khan, mashallah, who's now established entrepreneur, and Sajid Ali Jahangir Siddiqui, they all now realize that it's about time we will have to take these companies to the next level by investing in them. So we discussed that today. कि भाई अगर इनको आगे ले जाना है, if you want to take them forward, so the moment you realize there's a winner, go and invest in them. And that's the difference, because the moment you realize that Sofizar had the potential, you invested in them. Carlos Cashman came on board, and now the rest is history. So for other companies, you'll have to put your skin in the game. You have to make some investment and get on the board. Once you do that, so now there is a big realization among investors and industrialists and people who matter, people who have deep pockets and who have been shying away from the IT sector because they don't have capacity. And IT sector has not performed well, to be honest, in the past 20 years as India and others, but now they're realizing. So I can see a big change coming in the next 6 months to a year, where we will see small angel funds and venture fund coming up, and then they will be identifying these companies that will be coming to competition, or they might approach them directly for investment. So that will be a big change, because the moment you have these funding opportunities available for the smaller and the established firms, that will take to the next level. Because not only funding, it's also their technical expertise, the domain expertise. Somebody who has already taken a company to $100 million, it's much easier for him to take the other company which is at $1 million. So funding opportunities are here. Dusra, there's a lot of interest by open members. I still remember when 4 years ago I went to the US, and I've been going there almost every year. So it was extremely difficult, because every time I used to go there, I used to ask them, please open a chapter in Karachi. And somehow they were not listening, because they didn't have that faith, they didn't have that window to look at what was really was. And since the media and other don't project a very good picture of Pakistan, but for the past 4 years, I tell you what happens is now, you know the process that for the 2 months we mentored them here, and then the last 2 months before the competition, they are mentored by open members in the US. So now I get a call. People know when the final results will be announced, and I'll be getting a call from Silicon Valley, one of the open members. Yeah, my team jeeti nahi jeeti. Did my team win or not? So that is this belongingness, ownership aa rahi hai. So that has really helped us to open opportunities for open members to help Pakistanis, because I personally feel that Pakistanis living abroad have a great desire to help the country. They really want to move ahead and sort of help the local industry, education, healthcare, social sector, but they don't find the platforms. And those who have tried to work, they had some bad experiences. So open members have been testing it for the past 4 years, and now they feel they're ready. Now, alhamdulillah, we're opening a new chapter on the 20th, in which we have a chart board of 7 core member teams. This is one of charter members, which has Ashraf Kapadia, myself, Dr. Zahir, Dr. Zaki, Suhail, and Yusuf Jan as the core members. And then we have selected a very young and dynamic enterprising team of executive committee which has Zaki as the president, Suhail as secretary. Then we have other members like Rabia Gharib and Sidra Iqbal and Asfar Hassan and Hamza Sharif. All of these young boys and girls who have demonstrated great skills in entrepreneurship, and mashallah, they are changing the paradigm in the industry that they are working. So it's a great sense of achievement. Honestly, I feel that in 4 years now I see young boys, girls, entrepreneurs coming to a platform, and now I see now everything is in safe hands. So it will move ahead. whether I'm there or not, or we are there or not, the core members who started it, myself, Zahir and Farrukh. But I can see, inshallah, that now Open will not only be it won't be a mere existence. It will be a team of intellectuals, entrepreneurs who will now be able to bridge the gap between the Pakistani diaspora living in the US and Pakistani industry here. Much needed transfer of technology, funding, opportunities for them as well, because there is huge opportunity of investment for our American Pakistani diaspora to invest in Pakistan and ventures and real estate and all that. So I think there will be a two bilateral sort of relationship building, understanding building, and then business and commerce will also flow accordingly.